Hello everyone, we are students of Allahabad Public School. I am Shayan Tripathi from class 6B and here are my team members. Aradhya Singh from class 7th B, Preeti from 8th A, Ruju from 8th A. Today we have created a project named Automatic Night Light. Automatic night light is a type of light which basically works to glow up when there is no presence of light. There are different uses of light in our daily life, such as street lights and room lights. In past, when there was no technology like automatic night light, the street lights and other lights were blown up continuously, so it has been wasted the power. And now we have the technology automatic night light, so it saves power as it will glow up when there is no presence of light in the environment. Now Aradhya will tell about the components of it.
There are different components used in the project Automatic Night Lights. Battery, it supplies power to the whole connection. Then its battery connector, it is used to connect the battery with the other components. Then jumper wire, it establishes connection between the pins. Power board, it supplies power to the other components. LED 5V, it closes up and closes down as per the connections. And LDR sensor, light dependent register. This sensor detects the presence of light in the environment. Now Preeti will tell about the pins.
Now let's talk about the pins present in the component. Now this is our power board. In power board there is total of 10 pins. There is 5 positive and 5 negative pins. In 5 positive pins, in which 2 are VIN and 3 are 5 volt and 5 are GND pins. This is our LDR sensor. In LDR sensor there is 4 pins. This is AO, 5 volt pin, GND pins and DO pins. AO pins are analog output and DO pins is digital output. This is our LED bulb. In LED bulb there is 1 positive and 1 negative terminal, in which when the connection is right, it glows. Now Rudra will tell about the connection between the components.
Now I will tell about the connections of the components. Then the VIN and ground pin of the power board is connected to the 5 volt and ground pin of the LDR. And now we have connected the positive terminal of the LED to the VIN pin of the power board. Also we have connected the negative terminal of the LED to a DO pin of the LDR sensor. Our last step is to connect the battery to the power board.
As we can see that our connection has been done, so now we will test our project by turning on our power board. As we can see, after turning on the power board, the power is supplied to the LDR sensor. Now we have to check that after providing the darkness, will the LED glow up or not.
Let's check it. So as we can see, when the LDR sensor detects the darkness, the LED automatically glows up, and in the presence of light, the LED glows down. So with this, our project has been completed successfully.
At last, we would like to thank our Allahabad Public School for giving us this platform for making exciting project like this. Also, we wanted to thank our robotics trainer Shivam sir, who guided us throughout the making of this project. Last but not the least, thank you everyone.